All right, let's see how it goes. Thanks for sticking with it, everybody. See how it goes. Please make sure to give the new stream another like. Man, we're getting all your likes today. We're being sly with these likes. Triple likes. Triple likes on the day. See how it's looking. 23 watching. Okay, it was fine. For some reason it says no tags. That's okay, I don't really care. I don't really care about the tags as long as I can see my video. And I can see my video on the old recommended, so who knows? Who knows if it's working? Today is a crazy day. Crazy day. I have no idea. I can see it in my recommended. Nice, nice. Some recommendations. Shouldn't be muted. I don't think it's muted. Is it muted? No, it's not muted. We're getting some reports of some recommendeds. Some recommendations. 36 rejoined us. Yeah, that's some. It's not the worst. That's pretty good, I guess. Nice, a little reminder. Cool. I don't know. I don't know, man. This is like kind of what happened last time for like a little bit. Bounced back out quickly. I don't know. Maybe we are, maybe we aren't. I guess people will find out really quickly here as maybe people rejoin, maybe they don't. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Third time's the charm for today. We've been having some technical difficulties, but we're pushing past them. Great job on the likes. 31 likes, 47 viewing. That's some dang good liking. Some top tier liking. Top tier likeage. Dare I put in tags though? Dare I do tags? Dare I tag them? That's good. That's good. Good to be back. I tag it. You guys feeling lucky? I'm feeling lucky. At this point I have no other option, just gotta feel lucky. Dude, look at these beautiful supports. Like, these aren't major supports, I don't really expect them to act at all ever again. But look at these beautiful closes. These touchbacks. Like that's gorgeous. That's something. This thing is beastin'. It's angry. It's out for blood. Out for blood. I'm just gonna let it go. I mean, I see it. I see it in my on my own homepage, so that's good. Man, now we've already been like streaming for a while. Let's take a look. Take a look. Beautiful, beautiful monthly. so close to testing this. This is the last major anything. This is the last major anything. 13,860. That's it. Just right here. We're tickling it. Potential. We have a potential to close this monthly as the highest monthly ever. Let that roll around in your head for a while. Let that brew in your mind. 5 days and 6 hours to find out. Too early to call. But we have all the potential here to close the highest monthly ever. As stonks take a beating. Check on them quick. Yeah, maybe they recovered a little bit today. Very little. Hardly even noticeable. Hardly even noticeable. Actually, and DJ Dow didn't actually gain it all today. Down more. Looking for a lower close. Tech 100 though. The indice that won't quit. A close above 11,676 would invalidate, my opinion, the break of support there. Would even be a bullish 5-0 type pattern. Crazy. S&P 500 closed above support. Looking at menial 0.1% gain today. Okay. I don't think this updated. Dollar looking like death as always. Guys, this is so exciting. So exciting. I'm gonna try to get my enthusiasm back. It's been a rough morning. It's been a rough freaking morning. But we have all the signs, man. We got everything. We got it all. Monthly Ichi twist. Boom. Done. Locked in. Done locked in as long as we don't see something crazy in the next 4 days. Quarterly close. September close. The second highest quarter ever. Boom. Locked in. Weekly. Finding support at the middle Bollinger Band. A typical Bitcoin bull run signal. Didn't get it in 2019. Didn't get a monthly twist on the Ichi in 2019. Didn't have the second highest close ever. Did it? On the quarterly in 2019. No, I'm not sure. Let me double check. Yeah, it did. It did. Okay. Fair enough. I'll take that one back. Four-day. Finding support at the 20. But 4-day. Ichi twist. Boom, above the clouds. Crazy bullish signal. 3-day. Boom. Bullish twist. Above the clouds. Strongest Ichi signal. 3-day bullish divergence on RSI and MACD. 4-day bullish divergence on RSI and MACD. 5-day bullish divergence on RSI and MACD. I know this is tedious. 6-day bullish divergence on RSI and MACD. 1 day. $200 EMA. Setting all new all-time highs day after day after day. Every single day since the 11th of August has not skipped a beat. Here we are. Truly, truly an exciting time. Truly an exciting time. Amazing to share this with you guys today. Hopefully we can continue sharing it. All right, looking good. We're still showing up on my homepage. I didn't add tags. I'm too nervous. I'm too nervous to add tags. too nervous. We're just gonna keep picking out these local areas. Over and over, every step up. Third time's the charm. I'm so nervous to add. Tags to this. I don't even want to. I'm not even going to. I'm not ballsy enough. I'll just flat out say it. I'm not ballsy enough to add tags. Not after what we've been going through this morning. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Everyone have tags on their videos though? Because if everybody has tags on their videos. Oh yeah, this dude's freaking tagged up. He's tagged. Everybody's tagged. Hey, I'm ballsy enough. Tempting. It's a tempt of fate. We're gonna try it. We're gonna go for the gold. What's really weird is that it says I have tags here. Yeah. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. That's a weird thing for them. That's a weird. Expect that. Did not expect that when I looked that up. Okay. Whatever there. Got 100 back. We're moving. We're grooving. 50 likes. Make sure to smash that like. Third time's the charm today, boys and girls. For this breakout. If you want Bitcoin to break out today and test 13,860, smash that like button. Show everybody you're serious. Show everyone you're serious by smashing it. Whew. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hourly still looking fine, guys. Hourly continues to push up. Keeps making higher RSI highs. Staying healthy. Staying healthy. Gotta stay healthy. Stay fit. Wow, what a day. Like, dude, that was so stressful. Here we go. I hope you liked it, because, like, it's teasing it right now. In this 5-minute candle, it's teasing it. I hope you liked it. I hope we had enough votes. Thumbs up for blast off. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. 13,860. 13,860. Go. Go, go, go. Getting alerts. Bloom, bloom. Getting the alerts. Pushing up the highs. Let's go. Let's go. Everything's good now. Bitcoin waited for us, guys. It was like, that wouldn't be fair. Tom Crown and the whole fam, they're here every day. Can't just take off without them. That wouldn't be fair. Oh, it waited. Waited for us. I believe that. We're back. Back on. Ooh, God, I keep hitting my... That scared me. All right. Still going. Still put work. All right, there we go. Looking good. Dude, all we can do is just watch at this point. Just watch and wait. Daily looks good. Hourly looks good. We're not seeing anything bearish. This 13.8 is ripe. Ripe for the taking. Fresh, right, just sitting right there. It's like, go ahead. All right, added tags. Fingers crossed. Ooh, fingers crossed. I swear. Watch it troll me again. You guys know. Huzzah! It didn't happen. We're here. We're here. We're good. Great. Awesome. Dudes, I'm so sorry about today, fam. Oh, that was so stressful. I hope we're over it. It looks like we're over it. Knock on wood. Everybody knock on wood simultaneously at home. Everybody. One simultaneous knock. Ooh, for luck. I hate it. I have to like type them all out now. They changed everything around. Thank you guys for putting up with this though. It really does mean a lot. Like, you guys are champs. You're just amazing. And I hope that we get this breakout here. We have been waiting for 13.8. Seems like forever at this point. Really feels like forever. 69 likes. Nice. Nice. Excellent work on the likes. Give yourselves a round of applause. Nice. Whew. And now 68. Someone unliked. Not as nice. 69 is a much nicer number. 68. Meh. Meh. No, it would be even nicer, 169. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we're off. We're good. We're good. Our bullish edges that have been appearing over the last month, 2 months now at this point, finally playing out. Couldn't be happier, to be honest. Couldn't be happier. Amazing. We waited so long, fam. We've given so much patience, so much time. We're finally here. We earned it. Let's go. I don't want to just see a test of 13.8. I want to see it get smashed. Smash it. Right? Let's smash it. Go. Let's smash it. Let's test 17.2. Let's come back and back test 13.8. That's what I want. Back test the 13.8. That might be a little too optimistic. You know what? We're allowed to be optimistic. We had a not so optimistic morning. We went through a lot of struggles. We made it through. So we deserve it. Throw some spice at the chart. Spice attack. Yo, Ja, what's up, dude? We had quite the morning, brother. Quite the morning. Good to have you here. Maybe you're the good luck charm. Maybe you're the reason we're finding ourselves in good fortune again. I'd believe it. 140 watching now. Right on. Right on. 13,868 in reach. In reach. Hype. Yeah, we blew that 69 out of the water. 140 watching now. Guys, you're all amazing. Happy that we got our problems resolved. Very happy. Amazing. It just makes me feel so much better. For everybody rejoining us, I do want to kindly remind everyone, the new stream we had to restart. We're having technical problems. So if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Help us keep visible. Very appreciated. You guys do an awesome job at that. And I appreciate it. I really do. It means a lot to me that you guys keep up with that. I guess this could be a sport too. Could see back test down to here, 13.6, 13.708, like we did here. Might stay flagged. I don't know. I will have my mind officially melted. If we don't touch 13.860 today, my mind will explode. Just live on camera, my brain will explode. It'll be really graphic. Probably get banned. For gore. Alright, good. Thank you, Jerry. Brother Jerry, thank you. Alright, here we go. Will 13.6. 13.665. Will you hold, buddy? Or are we going to have to send out the SOS? Sending out the SOS. 13.651 for the 786. Super locally. We're on the 15 minute here, folks. No need to panic at a red candle or anything. No need. In fact, likely was going to come test this. Likely. Because we saw that here. We saw it, or wait, no. I doodled that wrong. Likely. It's definitely picked up momentum here, though. It's picked up steam since this, descending channel we spotted earlier in the day. Which was very exciting to see on a breakout. Very exciting when you see a breakout that forms a descending channel. That's the setup for continuation. That is what you want to see. The ideal case. 160 watching. Yes! We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. Oh, I feel so much better. What a crappy morning. No more sad sack Tom. Gone. We're back. Take a look. Take a look. Yes, bring down that RSI. Yes, bring down that MACD. That's what we want to see. What do we want? Reset those indicators. Reset them. Clear the way. Clear the way. An eye on that RSI on the 15. 30-minute, looking fine. Fine so far. Would like a close above 13,665. A 100 likes, super nice, and 169 viewers. Nice. 169. We should get up to 169 likes and just keep it there, though. That way, everyone who joins can go. I feel like I should like review what we were looking at, but I don't want to miss like anything that's going on right now. I don't want to miss it. Not worried yet. $13,466. We were looking for this test back here. Could get it here. But we do have this trend line here. This may get in the way. See. Good wick. Could go through it. Good wick, come back above it. Stay in trend, buddy. Stay in trend. 2 minutes till close. You can do it. Stay in trend. Nice. Well, we're back on now. We didn't get any of the green. Guess we're getting the red. I'll take it though, man. I'll take any of the volatility. Close back up. Get in there. Get up there. Welcome to Tom Crown Show, where the host yells at candles. Live on YouTube. Get back up there. There you go. Good job. Stay. Stay. Good corn. Good corn. What's up? 182 watching. We're back to our usual numbers. All right. Maybe that's because we can be found by our subscribers again. Yay. Closing. Minute and 40 seconds. Higher this closes, the better. Would even be nice to see it close above one of these super local supports. Solidify it. No guarantee. But as expected, moved back up above the trend. A minute and 20 seconds. Just 84 seconds left to close this 5-minute candle. But I think it's more significant than 5, right? 6 minutes, 15 seconds for the 30. That 4-hour candle doesn't look too bad, man. Hour and 36 minutes left on it. Plenty of time. Love to see you close a little higher, bud. Keep moving. I pay for this commentary. I pay to watch this guy yell. Keeps me motivated. 30-minute bear divergence. What? Oh, you mean on the highs? Yes. Yes. You are correct. You are correct there, Chris. However, when you look at other time frames, such as the hour, we don't have it. In fact, we may be printing bullish divergence here. 4 hour is really where it gets sketchy. The 4 hour really wants to put a little more oomph behind this rally. Honestly, maybe that means it breaks 13,860 our target, overshoots it, closes, then sells off. That could be what we're looking for.
Corn, 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 corn.
Corn, 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 corn. Everybody loves corn on pump days. It's just the facts. You don't like those facts. Get out. You can get out if you don't like those corn facts, bud. Thank you, show guy. You're my man. So what I was saying is, yes, 30-minute, we do see that 4 hours is the real threat here, ladies and gentlemen. 4 hours is the real threat. 4 hour could be painting bearish divergence. But luckily, we look at the daily, no bearish divergence. If we didn't have this signal, we didn't have this combined with that 4 hour, things would be looking not so great. If we had a lower high in the daily, wouldn't be as confident. What's also nice is, bam, we go to the weekly. Same thing. The daily and the weekly are saying you're good. 4 hour is saying, are you sure? Are you sure you're good? Sandwiched in between the 1 hour, which is good. This is a complex setup across time frames here. The more you zoom out right now on the Bitcoin chart, the more you zoom out, the more bullish it looks. Certain time frames zoomed in, such as the 4 hour, get more sketch. But I do it. Try it at home. Go ahead, whip up your chart. The more you zoom out, the better this looks right now. Really hard to cut it any other way. I see no reason. This is like famous Tom Crown words. I see no reason that we don't test 13,860. I've been saying that since 12,000 though. I'm like beating a dead horse with this. I find no reason to find resistance here October 19th. I find no reason. And we didn't. We really didn't find any. We had some consolidation. We allowed the oscillators to cool off. We're heating them back up again. Heating them back up, that's for sure. But if you look at the daily, look at the monthly, at the weekly, we got plenty of room to go, man. We got plenty of room. 72 on the RSI weekly. Bro, call me at 90. Call me at 90 on the weekly. Right? Like, 72, who cares? Monthly at 65. Call me at 96.29. Like, so much room on these time frames. The more you zoom out, the better this looks. Period. Period. You were here yesterday. We were doing some real creative technical analysis. Real creative. This is very much experimental, not to be traded by. But if we look at the previous bear market transition into the bull run, for you who were not here yesterday, we're starting to see a very familiar pattern. Very familiar. We were talking about this. This is pretty much all we talked about since, to be honest. Where'd it go? I totally just lost. Oops. I'm getting back in. What this suggests, why this is so exciting, is if we are this candle right now, 2020, if these are the same candles in this pattern, suggests that we close 2020. I know, right? Crazy. We close 2020 at $17,200. Again, this is experimental. There's no promise here. 17,176. In this box. between now and the end of December, if we are, in fact, following that fractal. Shit's looking very nice right now. Very nice. Here's what we can expect. Nice thing about this is that every step we can invalidate this and throw this model away.
Whatever happens, I can tell you this, the amount of stops above the 2019 is going to be nuts, popcorn, 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 beer mugs.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's gonna be so many stops. Stops like we've likely never seen trigger. Likely. And they're just a few inches away. Little push. 2%. 2%. You can do that, Bitcoin. Wait, so, Rico, thank you, brother, for the 10. I appreciate you. And Show Guy, I'm not sure if I said I think I said something, but I want you to know I do appreciate the donations. Thank you, guys. A little spaced out today from all the gibberish that went on. So if we are following this, we can look for a close 17.2 for this year. If we don't get it, throw this out the window. What it also suggests is that November will be a mostly sideways month, likely to close as a doji. Bottom wicked, has a bottom wick, has a top wick, closes with a small body, relatively close to where it opened. That would imply next month won't be so volatile. That kind of checks out. November, not typically the most volatile month for Bitcoin. And then it says, or so this pattern would show, December, we see a rally from wherever November closes to 17,200 where we close the year. That is a clearly defined, measurable, actionable, wow, look at that on the 15. Actionable fractal. But there's more. It gives us more information than that. If we follow it, if it continues, if we get the yearly close that it would suggest, it gives us more. It says that Q1 of 2021, we should expect to see a retrace. A retracement, about 20%, a little more. A retracement to this magical level we're looking at right now. Right here. 13.8, 13.9. Q1. I think that would spook some people. Yeah. But here's the good news. After it backtests it and bounces, we break the 20,000 all-time high, 2017 high in the second quarter of 2021. That is a beautiful path. Beautiful path. Once 20,000 breaks, it's just light your engines, light your rockets, man. It's a good game. This might be what we expect to see on the monthly if we follow course. Small November candle. Small November candle. Doji. December, rally and close. If you like, I can show you guys why. This isn't just gibberish made up hopium. This is all following a path that's defined. Yearly close. Right there. On the horn top. The first monthly candle 2018. Right here. If we get that close, man, I think that the rest of this pattern is pegged. So why is that? Because that's what happened last time. That's what happened last time. Take a look. Right here. Quarterly. Let's see. There we go. This is our October. I think I go. Here we go. Do that. October, November doji candle, December closes. Looks a little different. Got myself mixed up. We can look at them through. There we are. Oh, no wonder I'm looking back there. There we are. Why am I so confused? I had this all mapped out. I think I'm just like flustered from today, to be honest. I don't know why I don't have this line marked. You know what? Screw it. I have a different one that looks better. Get rid of these. October. Here we go. October. Rallies. Closes. November, we have a small candle. That's what we're expecting. December, we see a rally to the horn top, second wick. Same. Yearly closes. In January, here's our back test. This is why I said Q1, because we don't know if it'll be in January. Q1. Back tests. Previous resistance. That's what we'll be looking for here. Before rallying, before going for a new all-time high. We're looking for a pattern. At any point we can see, you know, we don't close the yearly. 17.2. Pattern's out the window. 17.1, 17.2. Throw it away. We don't see a back test of, if we do close it there, we don't see a back test of 13.9, throw it away. But we have a lot of signals, man. The macros here are undeniable. Undeniable, these macros. I can talk about them all day. We've been watching them for like 2-3 months, watching them unfold. Monthly Ichi twist above the cloud, boom. 4-day twist above the cloud, boom. Strongest signal Ichi can give. 3-day twist above the cloud, boom. Boom, bada boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-day bullish divergence. On the 1-day, 200 EMA continues to set all-time highs, despite price not setting an all-time high. Versus 2017, 200 exponential moving average daily does, as of August, start of August, set a new all-time high every day since. Was it the weekly? Weekly. Right here. Weekly, 100, 150. Bullish cross. Guess where that happened? Literally on the last weekly candle. Slash this in the transition. 100 week, 150 week bullish cross. When do you ever see these cross? Crossed once bearishly on the sell-off in March. It crossed once bullishly January 2017. Look where it was. Right where this price action we're looking for is. Crossed once bearishly February 2016. That's it. 4 total crosses, including the one this week. That's it. That's a pretty slick signal. That is pretty slick. We've been watching this stuff for weeks, man. We've been just, you're searching for an edge. Didn't appear like there could be any. But we found it. Found it piece by piece. Oh yeah, one more. Weekly Bollinger Band acting as support. Look back at the previous bull run. Weekly Bollinger Band acting as support all the way up. Way up. More compelling evidence. None of these things that we just talked about, none of those edges were found at all during 2019. This rally had none of those signals. No 20 tests on the weekly. No Ichi crosses above the cloud. No 150 weekly golden cross. Nothing. Nothing. This was just a bull trap of epic proportions. Which gives all the more credibility to this time. Because we saw those signals in previous bull runs. We didn't see them in 2019. It wasn't the bull run. Now we're seeing them. These are undeniable. They're huge time frames. 100 and 150 weeks. That's 2 years and 3 years. Average price. These are long time frames. This is not your 15-minute bullish divergence means moon. Not your run-of-the-mill. Which we actually might have right here with RSI. We do. RSI, actually, we do have 15-minute bullish divergence in RSI. We have a lower swing low. Yep. We have a lower swing low in RSI and a higher swing low in price. That is bullish divergence on RSI. But who cares about 15-minute? Those were daily, 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, 6-day, weekly, monthly, quarterly signals. And a close of this year at 17.1 to 17.2 would be a yearly signal. Doesn't get better than that. New people joining us are probably like, but hey, like, I've never heard these things. Of course not. Of course not. That's because we found them. You'll hear about them later. You'll hear about them in hindsight. You'll hear about it after it doesn't matter. Or you tune in every day here. And you learn about them in real time as we find them. Pretty cool stuff. I'm a chart nerd. That's what I do. I nerd out in a chart. Used to play video games. I don't have time for that anymore. Got time. How much time on the chart? Spare. I have to pee. Too much coffee. I downed this. What's up again? Everybody's back. Did it. We kept fighting and we overcame. Go. Let's freaking go, man. Let's get this 13.8 out of the way. Do it. Explain bullish divergence to a friend. Or to your friend. I can do you better than that. I'll do you even better than that. Good friend. Bars DF. wonder if I never added that other one. I'll do you one better, friend. Here you go. Here's a video I made on it. It's not a very good one. I have another one. I guess I didn't add it to the course lesson stuff. But I'll give you the gist. So divergence, put simply, is when price and your indicators aren't in agreement. Let's do an easy example. Do a simple example. All right. Price goes up, pulls back a little bit. Goes up higher, pulls back a little bit. So on your indicator, doesn't even matter what indicator you use. Really does not matter. Any oscillator will show divergence. Doesn't have to be MACD, doesn't have to be RSI. If you have no divergence, you'll see your indicator move up, move back, move higher, move back. It will mimic price. This is no divergence. None. It's just doing as expected. They're in agreement. When you do have divergence, you'll be getting something different from your indicator. So let's say your indicator sets a high, pulls back, but it sets a lower high and pulls back. Now these aren't in agreement. They're saying different things. Your price is saying, hey, we went higher, but your indicator is saying, no, you didn't. You didn't meet the requirement. You didn't have enough, whatever your indicator is judging based on. That's a hard thing to ad lib. Buying or whatever. This second wave wasn't a stronger buying period. This is bearish divergence. You can see it in the other way. Oh, I can't flip this, can I? I'll just do a simple close then. So your price makes a low and then a lower low. If you have no divergence, your indicator makes a low and then a lower low. Mimic. When your indicator and your price look the same, there's no divergence, and they're doing the same thing. Now let's say your indicator makes a low, and then makes a higher low while your price is doing the same action, low and a lower low. Now you have divergence, because your indicator is saying, I don't agree with price. That wasn't a lower low. And what that suggests is a reversal. When you're looking at divergence on the lows, you're looking for a reversal to the upside. And when you're looking at the highs, you're looking for a reversal to the downside. So divergence can help us spot reversals before they happen, when price and indicators aren't in agreement. There's your 10-cent explanation. That hopefully is a good one. If that made sense. Yo, Pleddy, what's up, dude? You're back. Haven't seen you in a while, my friend. I miss your presence here. Your debate stream with Mr. Steve. What did you guys debate? Did you master the debate? You master the... Thank you, Chris. I hope that made sense. That video is like, alright. I did another one. I did a second video on it where I went more in depth. I think I explained it better, hopefully. But I guess I didn't add it to the playlist. I don't know. What? Seems weird. I don't know why I wouldn't have done that. That actually makes me want to go back and look. That was a good video. That one was better than the first one, at least. Dude, I've made so many videos I just like don't even know at this point. Just have no idea. Dude, I think there's a bunch of videos I forgot to add to this. Bears. Okay, good. Those are on there. Good. Where did this video go, man? When you make videos every day, it really quickly becomes overwhelming. Here's why. I never cut it. Never edited it down, which takes 2 seconds. I'll have to add that round tree. I'm not going to do this now. That's a bad idea. Not with 200 people watching. Even for me. But I can actually give you the link for that one. Well, the video is like hours long, but it's not like the trading divergence part is only like the first 15 minutes or so. So don't be intimidated. It is not a 2-hour plus video on divergence, I promise. There's a second link. Spicy, spicy day. Hitting them likes. Spice. Oh yeah. Bummed we missed some of the early spice. But I'll take this later spice as well. Take it. Gotta pee. It's out. Ninja version 2 is on its way. Ninja. This is my ninjutsu clone, shadow clone double. The technique I picked up back in the day. I need to run to the bathroom so to do this. Don't go anywhere. The spice is not even not done. Clever. Clever, clever. Alright, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Join the Discord. Get in there. Smash that like button. And check out the Patreon coming for November. Give me a few minutes, I'll be right. Looks like this imposter Tom wasn't as convincing as the others. Lost 50, 60 people. Dang. Going forward, note to self. Do not announce Ninja Tom's appearance. He will figure it out themselves. As they won't. All right. And definitely don't think this rally is done. Done over. Definitely looks like it's consolidating a bit. Hold the trend line well. Man, the streamers are out in full force. Everybody's streaming today. There's a lot of crypto viewership going on today. Quite a bit. Quite a bit.
I'm guilty as charged. I sneak Red Bulls behind my wife's back. Riki City is still homeless.
Dude, I'll say it, I'm addicted. I'm addicted to the caffeines. But they're so good. So good. Could be worse. Also, I haven't really been drinking. It's weird, my best friend moved at the beginning of this month. And really haven't been drinking since. Weird. Not like an active thing, I'm not consciously doing it. Don't know. Maybe I'm replacing it though. Replacing it with the caffeine. Definitely some consolidation here. We went through so much trouble today. But we did it, fam. We did it. We didn't give up. Trusted our instincts. Yeah, and thank you again, Sir Josh Durham of the crypto realm. Your generous $5 donation. Appreciate it. Interesting. There is no reason whatsoever in the world to stop at 13,769. No reason in the world. So I don't believe it. I don't believe it won it. I do not believe these green eggs and ham. I do not believe them. Not at all. All right. But I do believe that it may consolidate here. Can even break down to 13,466, really not a problem. Backtesting this descending channel support that's created, and in the process, likely to create a descending channel itself there. Very likely. That would be actually ideal. Really don't even want it to break up like this straight up. Really want to see it do that same move, that predictable descending channel. That's what gives it the support and the strength to really push out those highs. Wouldn't be a bad thing.
I know you're a monster.
There we go. I just edited that video. Oh man. What a day. What a day, guys. What do you think? The music slaps. We have a new Renee. Ladies and gentlemen, a new Renee has been born to our community. This is cause for a celebration. Crack the beers. Everybody crack the beers.
I know you're a monster.
Or the monsters. Whatever. Seltzers. Yeah, Chris, it comes across as a frozen stream. I want an animated version of it where I'm just like slightly moving, maybe like typing occasionally. I think that'll completely fool everybody. Then I can just like walk away from the stream whenever I want. No. Brilliant. The music went out. That's weird. Music should not have gone out. It's me. Beats me. think we had a Renee. Yep. Roger Ver. Sent out the Renee fork. It's the real Renee. It's the true Renee. Dang it, Josh, I'm trying to relax. I love you, though. I love you. I love you, but I love hate you right now. Love hate.
YouTube famous BTC King of Kings, first of his name, Crown Daddy Pimping. Can you look at MGI MoneyGram?
Hate. But I can't say no. Guys, we've been streaming for like 4 hours. 4 hours now, and it's been exhausting from all this crap we've had to deal with. So stop tipping me. Don't do it. Just hang out. Just love each other. Dude, what's going on with this? What the? Gosh, this chart looks like death. What am I looking at? $618. You know what? This chart would look really great if it was inverted. That would look really great. You got monthly bullish divergence. It's not a bad start. You see volume is picking up on the monthly. Two not terrible signs to see. Unfortunately, you also have monthly bearish divergence. Womp womp. Womp womp womp. But on a more, actually even a more macro scale, you see that bullish divergence on the lows as well. That could be more powerful, per se. Then yeah, weekly reflects it. Weekly does reflect it, man. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. Sorry, Josh. Do not dig this. Man. This is honestly one of the most bearish charts I've ever seen. Okay. For what it's worth, at least the 4 hour doesn't have it. Daily bearish div on the highs, 4 hour doesn't. So there might be more upside to this. Could be more upside. Let's say potentially test this $6.66 range. Likely get a rejection there, unless you invalidate all that divergence on the test there. But I definitely wouldn't look to go long right here. No way. if you wanted to play this at all, you'd probably be looking for this zone. Let's see what Fib says. See if it lines up with the logic here. And of course it does, as it always freaking does with stocks. Stocks is like baby trading. Nothing against this. It doesn't say that wasn't against anyone who trades them. It's just like their charts make sense. I'm used to nothing making sense. I'm a Bitcoin man. There could be a long play here. I don't like the macro. I don't like the macro on this. I almost called it a coin. I don't like the macro on this stock. But there could be a long play here if you're that kind of guy. I would look to enter at 338 up to 367. And I would likely, this is again, I probably wouldn't long this at all. Maybe something like this.
Okay, last one, ANKAR.
Could be a play. I just don't like the macro here. I think you will likely see a bounce though. I think you'll likely see a bounce in this area on this support. It's the 0.5 to 618. But I just don't like the way this looks, man. Not my jam. Josh, I hate you. Josh, I'm gonna punch you into nuts. Alright, this is the last one. This is the last one we're doing. Thank you, Josh. No, I'm just kidding. But I will punch you in the nuts. Okay, this is a coin. At least this is a coin. At least sickles. Nice. Bully day. I got the bully day. Definitely got this bully right here in this RSI touch. Lowest RSI touch since back here. And price is much higher. Look, we even got, MACD even gave the signal. You rarely see this. I don't really know what provokes it. We even got the MACD signal. I really don't know what provokes that. But that's interesting that it did, because it lines up with the RSI. Dalenson, thanks for the 2, brother. Thank you, sir. Problem is, this is a pretty solid resistance right here. Looking left. Looking left, that's a solid resistance. You have like a left shoulder. Sell off, axis resistance again, then axis resistance again. This is how I see this one. You could long this, maybe even, you know, if you're a risky guy, you could even long it now. But you don't want to see any of these lows break. 62, 58, 52, 44. You don't want to see any of them break. If you do, you lose this structure. You've set yourself up with a bear flag. And this biddy returns home. Returns home fast. Could see as low as 14. Though likely 15, 20 area will have support. For me, There's a risk reward play here because you can have a tight stop. But man, I don't like this. I don't like this momentum leg flag setup here. If you set even a single lower low, it's in trouble immediately. Immediately. And you got that resistance, you got to break 85. This might even be a smarter breakout play on the 85 here, if it can manage it. Hell it. Alan son, you are grounded. You are grounded. Minky Flicker, why don't I put Tom down in the title? Because it's not a contested word. That makes sense. There's no competition for the word. So if you look up Tom Crown, like I'm the only thing that shows up for crypto. And so it doesn't, it's not worth the space in the title. Unfortunato. I used to, it just didn't matter. Because if you type in Tom Crown, you find me. Whether it's in the title or not. That's that answer. Later, Alex. Have a great day, brother. Wait, am I looking at the old chat? Butters! Butters! Randy Butters. I can't do that voice. Butters. Wait, am I looking at the wrong... I have like too many up. Yeah, DVR usually is on. But it's not on right now because we're having problems. Talent's on with your Nintendo stock. Yo, what's up, Matt? Unfortunately, my dudes, we're like winding down here. This is like my 5 hours of streaming because we've done 3 different streams today because we're having problems. Viewership's coming back up. Of course it is. Probably because the other people are quitting out because nothing's happening. That makes sense. Son, how about this? I owe you. I owe you Nintendo, okay? I promise you I'll get Nintendo for you. I think I need a... E30. I got on like 10 E. That's 330. It's like 5.5 hours. Pretty burnt out on the random parts, to be honest. It sucks though, because if we wouldn't have had these, let's call them technical problems. If we wouldn't have had these technical problems, man, my energy would have been at like 10 all day for the rest of the day. I would have streamed like 7 hours, been hyped through it. Would have no problem. Just due to like all the freaking little hurdles we had to go over, just like chipped away at my energy. Bleh. Yeah, it looks like we're trading sideways. Sideways. 4 hours coming to a close yet. As thankful as I am for somehow getting back fixing our technical problems. I need to go like just relax for a little bit. I'm freaking. I got a bang. Actually, this is a Aspire. It looks like an energy drink for women, but it tastes pretty good. I'll give it to it. They had a case of them for cheap, and I just picked it up. I need to just like chill and get away from the computer for a few minutes. Recharge. We'll trade sideways in the end of the day. We're still heading for 13,860. We're still heading there. But I need a few. Dallin, I owe you Nintendo, dude. I have Nintendo debt to you. You can remind me. I will just, you know, remind me. I'll do it. I need to just go chill out for a bit, man. A little burnt. Have a feeling. May see some more spice today. I don't want to be burnt out for it. God, it's a beautiful candle. Bitcoin got a boner, man. Big old schlong dong. Schlong dong diddly. Yeah. Swear, Bitcoin, if you like break out the second I do this, I'll be pissed. I'm gonna say it now. 75% chance we stream again today. 75. 25% chance we don't. So if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell, and get in the Discord. I'm gonna link it one more time. That's it. No more links after that. Emmett Wilson. Exactly, dude. I'm gonna play some video games. I haven't played video games in like a week. I'm gonna play some video games. I'm gonna be watching the charts and be watching my alerts. 75% chance we'll have another stream today, making it stream number 4 for the day. But I need to chill, guys. I love you. Down, son, I owe you. Make sure you guys are in Discord. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll just say it. I'll see you later tonight. This isn't over. 13.8's happening. Thanks for sticking with it today, gang. This was a test. This was a test of our ability. And we didn't quit. We did not quit. We'll never quit. I'll see you guys in a few hours. See you in the Discord. Brown out.